This week's Q&A comes from Mitch. Should I just focus on capital growth rather than cash flow? If your investment objective is to accumulate more properties, then you must have a capital growth focused strategy, or access to a load of cash if you want to accumulate more. Now, the heavy lifting that capital growth can create enables you to leverage equity, or use some of those gains to accumulate more property. I'm also really passionate about net cash flow. Passive income from day one can enable an investor to reinvest that money to create more money or pay down debt faster. It's a slight shift from purely seeing benefits from property over the longer term through capital growth on its own. Cash flow is important. I'm so certain about regional Australia as these markets provide strong growth opportunities plus positive cash flow. So the balance of both is most desirable in my view. It's certainly high risk to assume that this is to be expected in all regional markets. A lot of regionals lack the desirability and essential services required to be a high performance investment. We must analyse the market drivers before suggesting it to be a desirable and an approved investment location. This is made up of many checkpoints. We had a client recently realise over $200,000 in equity gain in only 14 months, which enabled the young family to purchase another property. They applied a $25,000 renovation strategy and they conserved all their cash to use the equity for the next purchase. See how the strategy and the property has done the heavy lifting in this case, not their savings. It all comes back to your investment goals to determine what you should focus on. This is all dependent on your age and your time frame. You want the end goal to be achieved. Remembering, property is the long game. A secure, tangible, reliable investment vehicle that outlasts any other asset class. The key suggestion we make to all clients is always buy property where they are desirable in terms of location. We must be sale ready in the event where life circumstances change. Although this may not be our objective, it may be a reality at some point into the future. Remember, life throws curveballs, so we need to be in a position to adapt. And good property in good locations improve the likelihood of meeting demand. If you have a question like Mitch, drop a comment below, or to explore the growth and cash flow model further, head to overandabove.com.au to schedule a call.